welcome to my channel. This is your Maring Tech. For today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a workaround in case one of your keyboard buttons is stuck, busted, or faulty. I normally recommend this workaround to my clients to save them from spending 1,000 to 2,500 pesos in getting their laptop keyboard replaced. So if you love what I'm doing, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, or give me a comment. I accept criticisms, so any feedback would be much appreciated. To start, let's go ahead and open our browser and type in the link that I'll be posting on the description. Hit on download. Now let's install the application. Alright, hit on I agree, click on install, and it says here completed, so we can close this now. Alright, let's click on the start button on your keyboard, or you can just click on the Windows icon and select KTweak. If it's not on the upper part, just go to letter K, search for the KTweak application. Alright, let's open it. Okay. So let's say, for example, the letter A is the one that is faulty. Just need to select on that. So click on the button. For example, let's select letter A. Click on that one. And here it says here key to remap. In this option, we need to select the button that we will be using instead of the one that is faulty. So I normally recommend to use the button beside number 1 because we don't normally use that. You can also select the other alt key, the other shift. Since we do have 2 shift keys, you can select the other one. So let's select the button that we will be using and hit on remap key, hit on apply, click on apply, and then OK. I'm not going to proceed that because I don't have any problem with my keyboard. And after that, we're going to have to restart the computer to make the changes up here. We have to click on restart, and once we restart the PC, we should be able to use the remap button as the substitute button for the one that is not working. Alright, so that's all for today, and I do hope to see you guys next time.